Guys, I found the best cryptocurrency trading bots out there, and I'm actually making money with this platform called Bitsgap. Bitsgap basically do a bunch of different things, and we'll dive into it this video, but I'm going to show you step by step exactly what to do to make money with these bots. None of this is financial advice, but let's dive into this. So this is Bitsgap, and these guys are the leader in trade automation since 2019. They have excellent reviews here. We're seeing a bunch of really good ones, 4.8 on Google, 4.2 on Slashdot, 4.2 on SourceForge, and 4.6 on Capterra as well. And they have 7 advanced bots for spot and futures trading. And here are 6 of them. So you've got the grid bot, which is basically profiting from market volatility, the DCA bot that will risk reduce earnings in volatile market. So you've got the grid bot, which will basically layer in orders to both sides of the market. And then when it's volatile, it'll essentially profit by filling orders. And you've got the DCA bot, which is dollar cost averaging. I'm sure you've all heard of this. Then there's the loop bot, which will earn in 2 currencies and reinvest the profits automatically so you can compound. There's DCA for futures as well, which is basically DCA but with a leverage. The combo bot, which is a lot more high risks, but you do get higher rewards from it as well. And the BTD bot, which is basically making the most out of falling prices when the market's dumping. So what does the platform actually look like? Well, here you can see we've got the trading section in which we can actually trade just naturally here. Then, of course, we have the bot section and bot analytics. So this is where we can actually execute these. And we have the exchanges section as well when we connect these to different exchanges. With the bot section here, we can see on the right-hand side that we do have a bunch of different DCA bots in different assets. And then we have our active bots here as well, in which, yes, we are making money with those, and we set those up a few days ago. So that is fantastic. The current value we have right now is obviously $850 profit after a few days. That is great and better than any job will pay you. Here we can see they're not huge trades, but they do take advantage of the market in which we can get that 3 to kind of 10% trades just on repeat here in different assets. Now, if we look at the DCA bot performance here, if I just move myself over, we can see that, yes, we get a bunch of different analytics here that we can actually look at and just manage our bot strategy. This is something that's fantastic and definitely something that's helped me understand what's going on with these bots. And we can also check the bot action section here, where we can actually set up or modify our bots or even close it once we're happy with the profit. Now, we've also got the add funds manual position averaging, in which, yes, we can actually go ahead and average those positions with this section. And then once that's done, it just sets it up, and you can see there instantly we have everything running. And then we press confirm, and as you can see here, success, the bot has been modified. We've got other bot actions here as well. We can close position by market, modify the bot, or stop the bot. And then we can go ahead and select another bot here if we want, simply by clicking it. So here we can see some of the other strategies that I'm implementing here on different coins. So as you can see, yes, we have analytics for all of those. And guys, you might notice by now that they are all pretty profitable. So yes, definitely a platform that you should be checking out, or at least having on your radar so you can learn about it. Now at the top here, we can see the strategy in motion. But yes, if we did want to just get back to our chart, we can close that out very easily. You can see our grid bots, BTD, all of the different strategies that we can use here. And it's just basically going to give us them so we can select them, set them up, and let them run. But here we can see our active bots and our total profit right now. And this is fantastic, just great analytics across the board, in which we can really just manage what's going on. This allows us to basically have tons of bots running at the same time with having a seamless, intuitive dashboard. We can manage it. We can also look at different exchanges if we want. So let's say we have hundreds of strategies running, then yes, potentially we want to single those out and just look at the Binance ones or the Bitsgap ones. And then we have our open orders. We also have our position section and of course our history section as well here. But overall, Bitsgap is a fantastic platform. And if you do want to get involved, you can get a 7-day pro plan for free with no credit card required. So it's basically a trial subscription so you can test the platform out. And you can also do it with a demo account here if you would like to test out the platform, make sure you're comfortable. But overall, super happy with this platform and the way it works. And again, if you do want to get that 7-day free trial, check it out in the description, guys. But that is going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I'll see you in the next one.